Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany and thank you for clicking on my video. In this DIY, we're going to be making some really adorable gingerbread or Candyland themed lollipops, as well as some French macaroon ornaments. Now, any of these DIYs will be a perfect addition to anyone's Christmas decor. They add a cute, whimsical touch. So if you guys want to see these DIYs, then please keep watching. Okay, first up is the French macaroons. I did buy this pack of white bottle tops from Amazon. I will link them down below. Next, you're going to take a variety of colors. I use pastels in the Apple Barrel brand. You can use any color you would like. It's completely up to you. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint the bottle tops in the various colors. I did end up painting 3 coats just to make them completely opaque. The paint did dry pretty quick, so you don't have to worry about this taking multiple days to do the project. Just make sure the paint is completely dry, because if you try to add another coat, it's going to take off the previous coat. Next, I'm going to take this ribbon. You can use any ribbon or twine of choice, and this is going to be what you hang them from. You're just going to cut them down to your desired length. And then we're going to hot glue it inside of the cap. Glue the 2 tops together. And this is what it'll look like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and assemble all the rest of the macaroons. And here's what they look like. Alright, now you're going to take a glitter in a coordinating color to your macaroon. I mixed 2 pinks here just to get the perfect color. Now you're going to take your hot glue and put it where the 2 seams of the bottle caps meet, as you can see here, and then you're going to dip it into the glitter. Now don't push too hard because you don't want to smash the hot glue. It'll look flat. You kind of just want to set it in there, roll it around. Now I did work in sections. It's just easier that way so your hot glue doesn't dry out. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process until it's complete. Now I'm going to take a brush and just dry brush it and get off all that extra glitter and push it down, make sure everything is set. And here's what it looks like. Really simple. I only showed you guys how to do 2, but it's the exact same process, just with a different color macaroon and different color glitter. Very easy. And here's all the final colors. Okay, next up are these lollipops. Now I got this yarn from Walmart. It's like a yarn ribbon, and this big large foam disc from Hobby Lobby. You're going to take a bead of hot glue, push down the yarn, and make sure it sticks. It may take a few seconds. And then you're just going to wrap the yarn in a circle, as you can see here, and then add a bead of glue ever so often just to make sure it sticks down. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's very simple, not hard to do at all. Just gonna repeat the process until you're done. And here's what we've got so far. Now the sides are a little bit trickier. You might want to pull the ribbon taut and add more glue because it will come undone if you don't. It's the same process once you get the hang of it. Just be careful not to burn your fingers with that hot glue because it will hurt. All right, and this is what it looks like when it's done. I'm gonna take these skewers from Wilton that I got from Michael's, find a good spot, and then just shove it in there. And here's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna add this gingham ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby, tie a little bow. And there we go, very cute. I did make 2 of these. Next up is basically the same process. I did take this wired edge ribbon I got from Joann's, but I used smaller foam discs, also from Joann's, but it's the same exact process. Put a dot of glue in the center, push down the ribbon, and then follow the ribbon around in a circle, add hot glue, and here's the final product. It's exactly the same process. You're gonna insert your lollipop stick and you're done. Okay, this lollipop is a little bit different. I am gonna take this tacky glue I got from Dollar Tree and these foam beads that I had from a previous project and a large round foam disc. So you're gonna take your tacky glue, you're gonna put a nice thick layer of it on your disc. You're gonna spread it out with a brush. Then you're gonna take your foam beads, pour them on the disc, and just push them down. Very simple. It can get messy, it can get glue and beads everywhere, but that's part of the process. But you wanna try to get them as close together as possible. And push in the beads so they really stick down there in the glue. And here's what it looks like once you've got it all done. Now we're gonna move on to a smaller one. I'm gonna do the exact same process, but I'm taking smaller beads and a smaller foam disc. You're gonna take the glue, spread it around. You're gonna dump your beads on top and then make sure you push it down. Try to fill all the gaps. And now once those have dried, we're gonna work on the sides. Do the exact same process, apply the glue, spread it out with a brush, and on the sides I'm going to roll it in the beads. It just made it a little bit easier because it's not exactly a flat surface, but you do want to try to get as many of the empty spots filled with beads as you can. Here's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna let this dry. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing with the large one. Apply the glue, spread it out with a brush, and then roll it into the beads. Now I left the small beads because that will help filling in the gaps. And here we go. Once it's dry, you'll just add your skewer or your lollipop stick and a ribbon, and it's done. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed these gingerbread or Candyland themed DIYs. The lollipops and the macaroons are super simple. You should definitely give them a go if you like the gingerbread decor theme. Also, if you haven't checked out my other gingerbread DIY, I will link it down below for you guys to check out, in addition to my Christmas 2020 playlist if you guys want to see all my Christmas videos thus far. Also, stay tuned. I am going to be doing my Christmas treats really soon, as well as my Christmas cookie recipes, so you don't want to miss those videos. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.